Cha-ching, you've been paid. Now that's a lovely sound. Well, it's a lovely email to get. And I get those every single day, and they come in all throughout the day. They're a combination of affiliate commissions from other people's offers and my own products that I'm selling. The amounts that I receive range from $3 or $4 right up to $400 or $500, $600 or more. And that is what this is all about. You see, look, when I first started looking at this business back in, well, I went full-time in 2017, but I started in 2016. So we're looking at about 10 years now that I've been doing this. And when I first started, I thought I knew everything that there was to know about making money online because I'd been following it for the previous God knows how many years. You know, I'd been making money online probably since, I don't know, the 2000s, when I had websites online that were generating me money. And I was an affiliate back then. I used to do all sorts of things. I had an online dating website and I used to get checks through the post and it would say online dating, and like the checks would come through and it'd be like, oh, fantastic. I wasn't doing anything for it. I just built a website and it ranked and it earned me money. So having done it for a while, I kind of thought, oh, I know what I'm doing and I reckon I could crack this little cookie and go full time. I needed to make a lot of money because I was in a bit of a hole, and I thought, right, let's give it a go. So you think when you're first starting out that you can just go and buy the next shiny object that comes along because the sales page says, right, Fred made $1,500 in 2 days using this, and you can do the same. And you get drawn into that, don't you? I did, like big time, right? But I would do what they said and it wouldn't work. So I would contact them. Now, maybe some of you do and maybe some of you don't, but I'd contact the vendor and say, right, so I got this and I did what you said and it's not working at all. And they would answer me in a way that just made it very, very clear that they were not doing what they were teaching in the course that I'd just bought, because they didn't have a clue. They couldn't tell me anything, and they couldn't show me any real proof that they were making the money. I remember that there was a guy on a sales page and his face and his name next to an amount of money that he'd earned. And I knew him on Facebook. Now, he wasn't the vendor. He was, the student. So I contacted him and said, hey, how did you make $1,458 in 4 days while on the beach in wherever it was? And he said to me, you better go and ask beep the vendor about that. So I thought, okay, that's interesting. And that, it sounds naive of me, doesn't it? That I didn't realise that was just a load of bullshit, and that this guy was just, I don't know, maybe a student of that person, but he wasn't really making any money. He certainly wasn't making that kind of money by clicking a button. So the penny was beginning to drop, but I could see so many people making so much money that I thought there's no way that I'm going to give up on this. And I didn't really have any other options because I'd committed to this route. So I discovered that the way that all the people were making the big money was by becoming the vendor and releasing products. Yes, sometimes they were in those products not teaching what they were actually doing to make the real money. So I thought, well, I want to teach what I do. And that's what I've done from then to now, is if I find something that works, I'll teach you how to do it. And if you're one of my students, you'll know that. You know that's true. So every little thing that I teach you is something that I've done that works. That's really important, because that is the complete opposite end to the scale of what this whole industry is about. I get emails from people, like not all the time, but maybe there could be 1 or 2 a month. All right, I've got a lot of people on my list and I make a lot of sales, so I'm expecting people not to know me who are coming into my world, and they will say something like, oh, you're a scammer, I bought this or that. I'll say to them, first off, if you're calling me a scammer, then you don't know who I am. Then I'll look into what they're saying, and they haven't even bought anything from me. And they'll say things like, oh, and they'll tell me, I'll say, you need to take it up with a vendor. It's nothing to do with me. I've not even promoted that product. And they'll say, oh, I thought you were all the same. As if we're all the same person or something. It's crazy, But I am the complete opposite end of the scammer, because all I want to do is help my students. Absolutely. That is goal number one for me. Yes, I want to make money, obviously. You know, I've got bills to pay, I've got a family to support, and I've got a life that I want to live to the fullest. So yeah, I want to make money, but I want to make money by helping people to understand what to do, giving the right advice. You know, that's what's important to me, and that's what I do. And that's why I created Vendor Victory Masterclass. And this is proving to be such a popular program, like absolutely insane. Because in essence, what you get is you get the ability to partner with me. And you might be thinking, all right, I don't know, that sounds a bit complicated. I don't know if I want to partner with you, Trev. Or you might be thinking, yes, let's have it. I want to partner with you, Trev. Hopefully you're thinking the second one. But the thing is this, I will teach you in the Vendor Victory Masterclass the entire process of finding a product that you can create, how to create it leveraging AI, how to put it together, and then how to launch it. And if you follow the steps that I teach you, I will then mail it for you. I'll be your super affiliate, mailing your offer. Pretty good, eh? That's how you get to partner with me. Now, I've never done anything like this before. I've never, ever offered that big boy bonus of me mailing it for you. Right? This is something that is going to make the world of difference. So not only will you learn how to leverage AI, how to create products based on what's selling, most importantly, so you create products that are in demand, how to put them onto JVZoo, how to get the whole thing ready, and then when it's ready, you call on me, and if you've done everything that I've told you to do, bosh, I'll mail it for you. And you're likely to get sales, aren't you? Because this is what I do for a living, right? And every time you get a sale, you get the buyer's email address. All of a sudden, you're going to have a product launch. You're going to have it on, put it on Munchai. It's going to be on JVZoo. JVs are going to see it. Affiliates are going to see it. And hopefully you'll get other JVs pile in, aside from me, and they'll mail for you. And then you've got more buyers. And you just keep building on that, all right? You just keep doing that. And that's what I've done over the last 10 years. And I'm telling you this business is the bollocks, all right? Now, I'm not going to show you Lamborghinis and shit like that, but I can tell you that I make more money than most people that I know. I was talking to a friend, I was thinking about this earlier, I was talking to a friend of mine, and he said to me, like, he was asking about the business and that, and he said, oh man, like that sounds incredible. Have you ever made as much as 20,000 in a month? And I was like, I've made 20,000 in a day. He was like, shut up. You are shitting me. All right. No. All right. You can do this kind of stuff in this business. There's no cap. Right? There's no top end. There's no point at which it says, no, that's too many sales. You can't make any more. Or no, that's too much money. You can't charge that. There's no cap. So your imagination is the only thing that could possibly hold you back. And you don't even have to have an imagination nowadays, do you? Because you've got AI. All right, so you don't even need that. But it's a beautiful business. You can do it from anywhere in the world, any country, doesn't matter. All you need, I would suggest you have a laptop, PC, Mac, iMac, whatever it is you use. But you need something like that, all right? Once you've got things up and running, then yeah, you can use your phone. You know, you can run it from your phone. But for example, when I go on holiday, I take my laptop and in the morning, we get up, we have breakfast, go back to the room, we get changed. And before we go out to the pool or out for the day or out to the beach, I just sit down and I type up an email. I schedule a few emails for the day. And then I close my laptop down, maybe 15, 20 minutes later, and I am done, baby. I'm then out there catching some rays, topping up the tan and having a wonderful time. Because all the time I'm out there, my phone is pinging with sales. Can you imagine what that feels like? I mean, like, it is the most incredible thing. It honestly is. Honestly. I'm sure you can imagine. Like, so you're on holiday, you're having a great time, and you're earning over $1,000 a day for 15 minutes of work in the morning after breakfast by the pool. Compared to how things were, there is no comparison. Honestly, there's no comparison. And I'm truly blessed. I'm very, very, very grateful. But I do work for it. You know, I can't run my entire business 15 minutes a day in the morning because there's things that I need to do. But you put the work in and then you reap the reward. So as you sow, so shall ye reap, as they say. And it is that, you know. You put the work in, you get the results. You just need some focused time to sit down and say, right, I'm going to do this now, knock it out, and then you're good to go again. That's how this works. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, if you join the Vendor Victory Masterclass right now, you've already got 90% of the masterclasses recorded and ready for you to consume. And there are still live masterclasses to come. So now is the perfect time to do it. So I would recommend that if you have ever been a shiny object chaser like me, I was, right? If you've ever done that thing where you buy those products that say make $4,568 by clicking one button and all that crap, and you've not got any results, and you think, oh, do you know what, I'm just getting a bit sick of this because it doesn't work, then you need to join the Vendor Victory Masterclass. Simple as that, all right? And you know what, you can join for just $197. So you can, there's a split pay agreement. So you can do just $197, which I'm telling you now is peanuts for this, right? And also the access to Vendor Victory Masterclass is given inside my school community. There's a special private course inside the school community. That means that you, if you're not already a member of Victorable, my school community, which is free to join, and you should join it if you haven't done, then when you join the Vendor Victory Masterclass, you'll be sent an email linked to a page with a link to the school community and instructions on what you need to do. I will then open up the Vendor Victory Masterclass for you. It's premium course training. And then you're in the community. You can ask me questions. You'll have direct access to me. You can ask me questions anytime you want. I'm in there every single day. You don't get that kind of stuff elsewhere. And if you do, you pay a lot of money for it. And you're not paying a lot of money for this. Not if you get in at the moment. Price is going to go up, but at the moment it's still at the discounted rate. So with that being said, I think you know what you need to do. I've opened up a few more spots. Take advantage now. Everyone that's joined is absolutely delighted. Oh, and there I didn't even tell you about the other stuff, did I? Not only do you get the training, you also get the assets. So I'll give you the ability to use Divi, the theme that I use on WordPress, to create all my sales pages and my JV pages and all that kind of stuff. I'll give you that and the pages. So you can just import them and you've got a sales page ready to go. You've got a JV page ready to go. You've got a delivery page ready to go. You've got upgrade pages ready to go, all done for you. All right. I mean, that's just part of it. Like you'll see more when you go through to the sales page, but I just wanted to give you this little update just to give you the ability to maybe have a little bit of hope in your life. Like I was given hope back then when I started, when I realized what I had to do and I did it, and then things started to work. That was an incredible time for me. And I want that to be the same for you. Now, if you've got any questions, obviously just reply to the email that I sent you, or if you're in my school community, you can ask me there, or however you want to ask me, whatever links you've got to me, just ask me if you've got any questions. But I would suggest that you take advantage of this and you get in as soon as you can, start consuming the content, start taking action, and change your life. I'll speak to you soon. You take care.